One way you can cook beetroot is by roasting it in the oven. First, wash the beets and cut off the leafy stalks. Rub some olive oil into each beet. Then, place the beets on a baking dish. Depending on how big the beets are, roast them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1.5 hours. You'll know the beets are done when they're tender when you pierce them with a fork. For faster beets, boil them instead. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add a liberal amount of salt. Wash the beets and cut off the leafy stalks. Then, add the beets to the boiling water and cook them for 20 to 40 minutes. The bigger the beets, the longer they'll take to cook. The beets are done once they're tender. Drain the beets in a colander and enjoy.